Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to create and customize widgets on your iPhone or iPad. Widgets provide easy access to your favorite apps and important information, so there is no need to tap and swipe through the multiple screen to find what you need. Headlines, weather forecasts, calendar appointments, stock market updates, battery levels and more are front and center. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First, update your iPhone or iPad to take advantage of the latest features in the widget. This, go to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. Next, swipe all the way to the right on your iPhone or iPad until you see the widget screen with individual widget or calendar, weather, news and other apps. Swipe down the screen and tap the edit button. Look at your existing widgets and tap the minus sign for any you don't want to keep. Confirm the deletion and tap done when finished. To add more widgets, tap the edit button again and then tap on the plus button at the top of the screen. Swipe down the list of potential and tap on you wish to add. You can also turn Apple's built-in apps onto widgets. Swipe down the screen until you see the list of apps in alphabetical order. Tap a particular app to add a list widget. Many widgets offer a choice of different layouts and sizes. For such a widget, swipe through the available layout choices until you find the one you want and then tap on widget. After you have added the widget, you can change its positions on the widget screen. From the edit window, drag and drop each widget to a new location until they are all in your preferred order. When finished, tap done. Third-party apps can be made into the widgets if you tap edit and swipe to the bottom of the screen and then choose Customize. You can then tap the plus button next to any widget to insert them at the bottom of the widget screen. Newly added widgets are listed at the top of the Add Widget screen. Tap the minus sign to remove any you no longer want. You can also change the order of a widget by pressing down the hamburger icon next to it and drag it up and down in the list. All the widgets you add this way are grouped into a single window. In some cases, an edit widget option will allow you to change the informed offered by the widget. For example, the mail widget will let you opt to see messages from all your accounts or only from a specific account and folder. Once the widget is created, you can tap it to open it. You should be taken to whatever content the widget display. If the widget uses a large layout that contains multiple items, tap a specific item to see in the apps. For example, a music widget may display multiple albums. You can tap a specific album to listen to it in the music app. A news widget may display multiple headlines, so tap a specific headline to read the story in the news app. You can create an item called a Smart Stack widget, which dynamically changes throughout the day to show you content from different apps and services. Plus, you are able to swipe up or down on the widget to cycle through the content. To create your Smart Stack, tap the edit button and then tap on the plus icon and select the widget named Smart Stack. At the widget screen, swipe up or down on the Smart Stack widget to view each piece of the content. You can create your own Smart Stack by placing one widget on the top of other. Press down on a specific widget and choose the Edit Home Screen option. Press down on any stack of the widget and select Edit Stack from the menu. To remove a specific widget from the stack, tap its minus icon and then tap on Remove to remove it. You can also drag a widget out of the stack to remove it. Press down on a specific widget and drag it up or down in the list to change the order of the widgets in the stack. To remove the stack and all its widgets completely, press down the stack and tap Remove Stack. And then tap on Remove it again to confirm. I hope this video will help you to create and customize widgets on your iPhone or iPad. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.